Now, no. Go back. Go back.
The most blessed woman in the planet today.
Hey, wait till na here. Wait till na here. This girl, hey Priscilla, get ready to pay Osagie money back. Get ready. Because if there is anything abuse in this relationship, it was you. Osagie do it best. He deserves more. After all, you senior her, and you confess in so many ways. Wait till na here. Wait till na here for the beginning. See how he long go. You see, say he long better. You see, say 100% teeth was nya. Where the teeth? You see, the teeth was nya. If I carry a pass here just now, Baba T was begin to lolo. See, I went to the look of this girl where they come talk now. Say, no, Osagie come bring money. If Osagie bring money down. When Osagie bring money, when you know the video now, so Lord. Hello.
Already blessed woman, already the most blessed woman in the planet.
When she kept Osagie for us, she was the most blessed. Omatamo ho. Onario Osagie woto. Onario Onago. Onanyakon. Onazolo. Well, give me my money back. Which money back? Money where you take enjoy yourself. You know the shit. Now that one they pay me for inside. Say, me don't teach people for this social media. Say if you be single mother, you get money. As you like. Okay, Priscilla, you don't use your money shopping here. Then I know what. As you got the ass of your money, that's why we get right to talk to you. No just say we not get right to talk to you. Then use your money to shop here. Let person hear what. As you got the draw money where you take shop here, we go the bring things come on. Make people check and balance. After you shop Osagie like this, you go get your money. You go there. You go na yari kia. When you go na yari kia. If I do this thing, if you never feel sleep, go watch one series where they put for Netflix that they call them deceitful love. A Priscilla will audio Osagie ya ate femini. Ole se okoni na igame mono wine. Ona bi amo mo pabe na go vie. He get one pikin like Priscilla daughter. We go they follow person where senior. The woman also get one pikin like that. Pikin and mama. You they follow small pikin. You want to tell your pikin may not follow person. Or it dey inside the series. Mona go watch it. It's called Deceit. So they said deceitful love, and it was made by Italians, but they translate it in English. They speak English. Onugueso. That is a deceitful love.
Get home.
But you, if you type deceitful love or whatever, series in unlimited one, you just watch it to how many number just finish. Now this story, Osagie and Priscilla story, now they say atan. Now they say atan, now they say other movie. The woman even better past Priscilla because the money where the woman spend, in shorts. Priscilla shop of your can finish. You know the shame when you know say proof there everywhere. Me I play another video again. Me I play your pyjama video. I don't want my Facebook can't take my this thing. God bless you, Martin. Oh, Netflix. I don't know whether it's there YouTube now. Netflix now series. Thank you, man. Oh, yeah, me I play. Oh, let the beginning I want play. Oh, I quite play here very now. I play say. Like say he never kissed before. Ou rafiane. Ou konia wa. Omo be sweet be. Oh, yeah, I'm gonna listen to what he talk. Those are game my ear.
I'm the most blessed woman in the planet today. My man is cooking for me.
With different. Oh my God, what is your name? Oh, what did she say? The most blessed woman in the planet Earth today. My man, Priscilla, the disgrace you want to give to your man because of money, because you want to please a friend, is disgraceful for you. As woman, we don't shop the lefu, Priscilla, we say, because now shop the lefu, now they do give away.